I
The
remember.
first time I was ever in the field, I was with you. I remember we driving by the houses, seeing some guys pumping iron in the yard, teaching me what to wear, what not to wear, how to get out of the car, how to approach the door. You look like a policeman when you dress like this. You don't want to be, all of those things have really been the foundation of really me in this business and kind of becoming who I am today. So we're dating ourselves a little bit, but that's okay. We've been doing this for a long time. You've also not only been doing life, you've been doing Medicare for some time. Tell us a little bit about, so the audience can get to know you, just a little bit about how you broke into the business.
Jason, I started the business in 1997, knowing basically nothing about anything. And my brother Jimmy introduced me to a gentleman named by Jamie Solano, who'd been in the business for a long period of time. He took me under his wings and started coaching me and training me. The background I came from was working like 7 days a week, so I just couldn't handle only working 3 days, 4 days a week. So I started ordering my own mail, had fairly nice size contracts, and yet it just wasn't going the way I really wanted. I really wasn't seeing enough people because I thought I knew how to order mail, yet I didn't do it the right way. But 2004, I received a postcard from Equita telling me that they had an opportunity, called up, spoke to Eric, had a long conversation. He asked me what my thoughts were about joining the program. And back then he had a very unique plan. He had a free lead program at a 70-point commission. And whenever you take a hit in commission back in the day or any time, it kind of hurts your manly ego. So I said, I don't know. He said, Joe, I'll get you 20, 25 leads a week. So I did the math on what I was paying for leads, how many people I was seeing, my AP. And I said, what do I have to lose? I've got free leads coming in at a smaller contract, but yet he's going to probably get me about 10 to 12 more leads than I was getting on a regular basis before. I made the move, started in February 2005, and the rest is history. So I listened to this gentleman, went out, started working, learned it very well. And it's something that I have grown and done very well in it. And with Chase, got agents working with us, and it's been very fun doing the Medicare Advantage, which is a little bit challenging because when you're trying to hustle life insurance, final expense, and now you're throwing a curveball, let's talk about Medicare Advantage and Medicare supplements, is everybody, I was a little hesitant on doing it. Yet I said, I'm a firm believer you need different streams of income to make your checking account grow. The most important thing that I've got to say is back when I started, there was no lifetime renewals. Today, in the Med Subs, the Med Advantage, no matter what it's a PPO, HMO, a CSNP, SNP, you're going to get, which I love, is lifetime renewals. And the renewals go up a couple dollars every year. Between my renewals on the life insurance, the final expense, the Medicare Advantage and the subs, and the other things that I do in the insurance field, it's a nice little comforting feeling knowing that I took that leap to do the Medicare Advantage because it's probably a large chunk of my monthly check.